I'm going to show you how to cut your videos to the beats on Shotcut. I already have a few clips here and I've cut them exactly where the beat hits. So timing-wise, it works, but visually, it still feels boring. So what I usually do is export the clip and send it to my phone. I use an app called GlitchFX to add quick, catchy effects. Just add the video, tap auto cut, allow, and actually feels finished. If you want to try this app, the link is in the description.